How to redeem the American Airlines miles. Hey guys, and let's get started. American Airlines makes it easy to redeem the A Advantage miles for award flights. You can browse award flight option at aa.com to find and book your tickets. For the process of redeeming, first of all visit aa.com and then log in with your A Advantage account. Do not worry if you forgot to log in, you'll be asked to do so before booking. So once this is done, you have to search for the available flight. For this, enter your desired flight details to search for available flights and make sure to check the redeem miles box to view and flight option. Once that is done, review the award flight options and find the award flight that appeals you. Review all the details including airport information, travel time, layover details and much more. Once that is done, you can confirm the details and select the award flight that you want to book. After that, click on Continue to begin the checkout process. Now, if you're booking an award flight with miles, you'll still need to pay taxes and fees. You'll be prompted to choose a payment method and enter payment details and complete the checkout process. And this way, you can easily redeem American Airlines award. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.